This is another part of the product line that International Mulch has. These are timbers. And the timber is highly compressed rubber, like the edging and the cobblestone. They're also bendable, so they can go around curves. They come in 4 main colors, and they also come in different heights. This is a 4-inch height. They come in a 6-inch as well as an 8-inch, depending on the application. The 8-inch is typically used in playgrounds. They all are 8-foot long sections, and
they can be cut.
They can be cut. They also have, I'm not sure if you can see this if you come over here, because this is a solid piece that water will not go through, like the mulch. They have drainage cut in on the bottom areas, so that some water can get through. These things are normally put in the ground with spikes, with a rebar spike. One thing we weren't able to show you today is International Mulch has also come out with a cobblestone stepping stones, like if you were to get nice rocks that you could step on for a walkway. It's a brand new product this year. Hasn't shown up yet because they're in limited supply because they're using them for demonstrations, but we're hoping to get some of those as well. I think there's one other thing over there that we should have got, which was a splash block.
That's a splash block.
Okay, so it looks like we did get it. This is also a brand new product this year for International Mulch. Yeah, it does look like a swim fin. This is what's called a splash block. These are designed to go under the gutters. Since a lot of people also have decorative rock and stuff around where you have your gutter area, this fits under the gutter for the water to run out. Then you'd have your mulch and everything around it, or your nuggets. It comes in the dark brown, earth tone, and I believe green, more like a grass green. They're expecting that this is going to be in demand, or they've had demand, which is why they've produced this. So that's one of the new products this year. Yeah, I think that's it. So basically, this is your integrated, recycled, environmentally friendly yard. So since I didn't open any of the bags in the warehouse, I want to give you a chance to see what this stuff really looks like up close. This is the Rubberific shredded rubber mulch. I mean, this looks like bark mulch. I can run it through my fingers, there's no splinters. This is a color called cedar, which is probably the 3rd most popular color. Earth tone and redwood are the two most liked colors, but this is just a slightly lighter brown color. This is one called cypress. Also looks really nice. And then this is one called grass green. I mean, this looks like mulch. We also have forest green, a deep Caribbean blue, and a black color.
And how long do those colors last?
These colors, you can expect them to look this good for a good 10 years, probably more. Normally with wood mulch, you're going to be refreshing your product every 2 to 3 years. That's what the average homeowner does. Some people do it every year. This product, after about 5 years, you're probably going to want to put a little bit more in because there'll be some level of attrition, whether it's animals tracking it off or whatever. Some of it's just going to get lost, like your wood mulch does, although it won't be lost into the earth because it's not going to decompose, plus it'll still be on top of the weed fabric. And let me give you a close-up view of the new play, which is the nugget material. So the new play is cut pretty much like rocks. And this is the stuff that's used on the playgrounds. In the recycling process, the fiber from tires is left on for the new play, not for the Rubberific, which is why this material costs a bit more because it's a much more expensive process to get all the fiber off as well. But since this is used in playgrounds, the fiber is left off because it helps with the fall height protection. And since we're filming this, what I should show you is we just brought on a second product line, which is a different rubber manufacturer. But this rubber manufacturer, named Pinnacle Rubber, also does the nuggets. They don't do the rubberific type material. In fact, nobody except the company International Mulch produces this material because it's so costly. But this is another type of nugget material used in landscaping and playgrounds. They have very similar colors: the redwood, the blue, the black, a tan color, which is similar to our cypress. There's a dark earth tone brown. And then there's a forest green, which we also have forest green. I'm showing you the grass green that's in rubberific. The nuggets are almost identical, except these are cut a little smaller. So this is also a very good product. The warranty on the Pinnacle Rubber is 12 years plus. That's the manufacturer warranty. They have it tested on the ground already for 20 years. This product has been out there. So that's our product line so far.
And what's the name of your company then?
The name of our company is Environmental Impact Products, and we are handling, we named Environmental Impact Products because we're not just a distributor for International Mulch or for Pinnacle Rubber. We're looking at distributing a number of recycled products that can be used in various applications, playgrounds. We're also starting to look at recycled the tiles that are interlocking. We're potentially looking at sidewalk type tiles that are used. So there's a lot of things we may be handling in the future in addition to the landscaping and playground products.
Fantastic. So people can find you by going...
People can find us at www.environmentalimpactproducts.com. I know it's a long name, but environmentalimpactproducts.com. You can also call us at 888-210-5029, and I will probably take your call. Thanks for watching.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Sensible choices for countless applications. High-performance recycled landscaping and playground materials brought to you by Environmental Impact Products.